In this video, we're going to unbox and assemble the Sherpa 40-volt cordless vacuum blower model number ST-EBV480D. Inside the box, we have the instruction manual. This tool is sold as a kit, so it's supplied with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. You'll find those in their own separate boxes. This is a set of wheels for attaching to the end of the nozzle, so you can run the end of the machine along the ground smoothly. You've got the collection bag with a plastic interface that clips onto the machine and an outer layer that acts as a dust shield. You've got a single shoulder strap to help support the weight of the machine while you're using it. And finally, you've got the machine itself and the suction and blower tubes. So we'll just put those together. First, assemble the tubes. You've got your larger tube, which is used for your vacuuming, and then you have your smaller tube for your blowing. When you assemble these, assemble them numbered side to numbered side, and they'll slot in nice and easily. Next, you just need to prepare the machine itself to accept the tubes. So move the handle by undoing this flywheel, pulling it out of the way and retightening it. Unscrew the catch for the fan cover, so that can be pulled out of the way, and unlock the catch for the blower tube. Then we need to place the blower tube into the machine, lining up the fin on the blower tube with this channel here. And then you line up this catch with the locking mechanism and put the catch into the locked position, and then just test that that's in place securely. We need to locate the blower tube. That goes in this aperture here. It's a D-shaped aperture, so the tube can only go in one way. Press this catch in, line up the tube, and just firmly push that into place. Then, to secure the blower tube into place, use this catch to lock it in. Push the fan cover back into position and then secure it in place with this catch. Slide the wheels into place at the end of the blower tube. Either one of these catches is fine, it's your preference. Finally, we just need to fit the collection bag. So first, hook it onto the machine, like so. Then, on the plastic interface, there is a slot here that corresponds to a little catch here. So if we just line that up first, so the catch is in securely, then pull the back round while pushing down the clip until it's over the body of the machine and is securely in place. Then, if you're using the shoulder strap, clip it on to this hook. And now assembly is complete. All you need to do to operate the machine is insert the battery and pull the trigger. Then, if you need to change from suction to blowing, you just operate this lever here.